Service animals can help veterans and other people with disabilities live more freely and perform day-to-day activities. For example, they can be trained to help alleviate or anticipate the symptoms of PTSD, traumatic brain injury, or other mental health conditions, and can help lessen social anxiety. Or service animals can work as guides for people who are blind or have a vision impairment. I'm Leah, an attorney from Disability Rights Texas, and in this video, we'll talk about the rights and responsibilities of service animal owners. But first, what is a service animal? According to the Americans with Disabilities Act, service animals are dogs that are individually trained to do work or perform tasks for people with disabilities. They are not pets, and they are not animals commonly referred to as support animals or companion animals. Those animals can serve the needs of people with disabilities, so they are permitted in certain places, like residential housing. But they are not individually trained to do work or tasks for the person with a disability, and therefore are not considered service animals under the Americans with Disabilities Act. If you have a service animal, you have the right to bring your animal just about everywhere you go. Government buildings, businesses, and nonprofit organizations that serve the public are required to accommodate your animal. There are a few areas where service animals are not permitted, such as in a hospital operating room. But the normal rule is that service animals are allowed in any area open to members of the public. You also have responsibilities when your service animal is out in public. You can be asked to leave if your animal is out of control and you are not taking action to control it, or if the animal is not housebroken. Others can only ask you 2 questions about you and your animal. Is the service animal required because of a disability? And what work or task has the animal been trained to do? They cannot ask you about your disability or any other personal information, and they cannot demand proof that the animal is a service animal. Thanks for watching. Those are your basic rights and responsibilities of service animal owners. If you want to find out more, check out the Disability Rights Texas website at DRTx.org or visit us on Facebook and Twitter. Disability Rights Texas thanks the Travis County Women Lawyers Association for providing funding to make this video possible. The information in this video is not intended to and does not replace an attorney's advice or assistance based on your particular situation.
Produced by Rooted in Rights.